Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. In big cities like Calcutta, Bombay, London, New York, everyone is working very hard. Not that in big cities one can get their food easily. No, everyone has to work. And everyone is working hard. Do you think that everyone is on the same level of position? No, that is not possible. Destiny. One man is working hard day and night, 24 hours. Simply he is getting 2 chapatis, that's all. We have seen in Bombay. They are living in such rotten condition that even in the daytime they have a kerosene lamp. In such a place they are living. And so dirty condition. Does it mean that everyone in Bombay is living very luxuriantly? No. Similarly, every city, it is not possible. You cannot improve your economic position simply by working hard. That is not possible. You work hard or not work. Whatever is destined to you, you will get it. Therefore, our energy should be utilized. Malloka kama malanugraha. The energy should be utilized. How to please Krishna. That's it. Energy should be utilized for that purpose. Not waste energy simply for a false hope that I shall become happy. I shall do this, I shall do that, I shall make money like this. The story of the potter. The potter is planning. He has got few pots and he is planning. Now I have got these 4 pots and I will sell, I will make some profit. Then there will be 10 pots. Then I will sell 10 pots, I will make some profit. I will get 20 pots. And then 30 pots, 40 pots. In this way I shall become millionaire. And at that time I shall marry. And I shall control my wife in this and that way. And if she is disobedient, then I shall kick her like this. So when he kicked the pots and all the pots broke. Then his dream is gone, you see. Similarly, we are simply dreaming. With few pots, we are simply dreaming that these pots will be increased into so many pots, so many pots, so many pots. Then finish. Don't make imagination, make plan. That is, the Guru, the spiritual master, and the government should be careful that these rascals may not make plan. These rascals may not make plan to be happy. Nadu jayat karmasu karmapura. This is karma jagat, this world, this material world is there. They are already inclined. So what is the use? Loki bapyami samadhu seva nityastu jantu. Just like sex life. Sex life is natural. It does not require any university education. How to enjoy sex? They will enjoy it. Nobody is taught how to cry or how to laugh or how to enjoy sex life. There is a Bengali story. That is natural. You don't require any education for this karma. Now they are making big plans to educate people how to work hard. This is waste of time. Educational institution should be for teaching people how to become Krishna conscious, not to become this or that. That is a waste of time. Because that program will never be successful. Tallabhati dukkha vadannata sukham kalena sarvatra gavira dansa. The nature's law is working. Prakritikriyamanani gunikarmani. Whatever. Therefore our Vedic civilization is that people are satisfied in his own position. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Whatever by God's grace he got, he was satisfied. The real energy was utilized how to become eligible to receive mercy of Krishna. That is wanted. How to learn, how to surrender to Krishna. Then ahankar, sarvapapa, brahma. That was it. In India you will find not that the great sages, rishis, they wrote so many books, but they used to live in a cottage. Only the kings, the Kshatriyas, because they had to rule over, they used to construct big palaces. No one else. They live very simple life, not waste time for so-called economic development, skyscraper building, subways and so on and so on. This was not Vedic civilization. This is Asuric civilization.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna